Hi everyone, my name's Nicole and I'm a product developer and content manager here at Really Good Stuff. And today I'm bringing to you our latest subscription box called DIY, which contains exclusive materials for you, your classroom, and your students. So let's dive right in. When you open your box, the first thing you will see is your teacher planner. So as you can see, there's partial color on here because it's actually a planner / coloring book. So as you go through, you'll see a bunch of different things that are really useful for teachers, like a class list, transportation schedule. This is my favorite page here, some layout ideas for how to lay out your classroom. And then once you get to the months, as you can see, you can actually color them in. So it's really nice when you need a little time to just kind of relax, calm down, take a minute to yourself. You can color in these pretty pictures. Next, we have our calming jar. So we actually put pearl swirl powder in here and colorful orbs. So when you get it, it'll look like this. But when you add water about up to this ring area and close it and wait an hour, you will actually get a calming jar that you can use with your students. So I'll show you what that looks like. So that as you can see, the orbs absorb the water, the pearl swirls in there, and now you can spin it. And it's a very nice calming tool. So it's great for students that get a little overwhelmed or need a minute to take a break. You can let them sit with this for a few minutes and just watch the colors as the orbs spin. Next, we have our DIY hands. So you'll actually get 36 of these hands. And what you can do with them, well, I'll show you two of the things I would do with them. Here we have an example of a true-false. So you can have them color one side true, one side false, and use this as they're answering questions in the classroom. Another way is having them decorate it just however they like it and putting their name on it. And this is a fun way to encourage kids to raise their hand in the classroom. So there's two ways. There's a third one on the instruction card. So I'll show you that really quick. We have the calming jar, we have the student hands, and we have the next thing on the instruction card, which is the decorate your own beach ball. So there are two different options of how to decorate your beach ball on here. So I'm gonna show you an example of one. So all you have to do is blow this up. You'll have Sharpies in your box to write on it with. And here's something that I would do. At the beginning of every school year, I like to do an icebreaker where the kids have a beach ball with different things written on it as kind of a way to get to know each other. So for example, here we have favorite sport. Do you have any secret talents? So you can do this however you want, but this is just one idea of how you can get kids talking and getting to know each other at the beginning of the school year or throughout the school year. For your classroom, you will also get DIY borders. So all of your students can decorate one of these and you can hang them around bulletin boards. So I'll show you an example of what it looks like when it's colored in. So here's just one piece. And once you connect them all of your students will get to see that their artwork is in the classroom. They took part in decorating the classroom. It's a really fun way for them to feel a part of your room. And lastly, we have our colored pencils and permanent markers. So you can use these for so many things with this box. The teacher planner, the beach ball, the DIY hands, the borders. So you'll be using these throughout the entire box almost. And then after you're done, of course, you can use these in your classroom. And lastly, we have our paper wrap. And here at Really Good Stuff, we don't like to waste anything. So we made the other side a DIY poster or banner. So your students can decorate this however they want, and then you could actually hang it up on your bulletin board with the borders, which is a really nice way to make your students feel like they're a part of decorating the classroom. So how to get started? Join us today on our website at reallygoodstuff.com/box. Our boxes are only $29.99 a month. When you sign up for our box, be sure to tag us and don't forget to use our hashtag RGSBox. See you next time.